From Princeton Park, Chicago, along Union Pacific CSX Villa Grove Sub. I'm Richard Ellaby. Today's date is Monday, June 9th, 2025. Beautiful Monday morning here on the south side of Chicago. We have milepost 10 on the Villa Grove Sub. We have Amtrak 51, the Cardinal, with AMTK ALC 42 Charger Day 1 50th Anniversary Unit 301 leading. This train is on time. He's from New York City and Washington, D.C., headed to Chicago via Cincinnati and Indianapolis, approaching on Main 2. This happens to be one of my favorite Amtrak engines, and I like the LED lights that's on these Chargers. They're pretty different.
The operations responding. 7042. Amtrak 51 Northbound to clear Oakdale. Clear Oakdale.
That was pretty nice, I must say. Now, normally Villa Grove is usually quiet after this, but not this morning. We got another train that's coming north on 2, and it's a Union Pacific manifest. I will be back shortly with him here in Princeton Park.
Like that one off.